That ordinary, unassuming vegetable sitting on your kitchen counter, the one that makes you cry. What if I told you it holds a profound medicinal power that has been recognized by healers for millennia? A power that modern science is only now beginning to fully understand. We've been taught to look for health in a pill bottle, but the most potent pharmacy on earth might be in your pantry. Most people will see the onion and only think of flavor. They will miss the stunning biological story we are about to unfold. And 99% will skip the final, crucial chapter where we reveal the specific, simple recipe that unlocks and multiplies the onion's healing power, transforming it from a simple food into a potent, life-saving medicine. This is a story of your own innate health. Do not look away. Hidden pharmacy. Before we peel back the layers of this humble vegetable, we must first peel back the layers of misunderstanding about our own bodies. We have been living with a flawed map of health, a map that tells us our bodies are designed to fail, that disease is an inevitable consequence of aging, and that our only hope lies in complex, often invasive external interventions. But I want to offer you a new map, one that is grounded in the cutting edge of science. This map shows that your body is not a fragile machine, but a brilliant self-healing fortress, defended by 5 powerful interconnected health defense systems: angiogenesis, regeneration, the microbiome, DNA protection, and immunity. These systems are the pillars of your health. They work tirelessly from birth to your last breath, managing your blood vessels, repairing your tissues, cultivating your inner garden of gut bacteria, protecting your genetic blueprint, and defending you against invaders. Health is not the absence of disease. It is the active result of these defense systems working in harmony. Disease, including the chronic illnesses that plague our modern world, is often a sign that one or more of these systems have been compromised or overwhelmed. They have been weakened by our diet, our environment, and our lifestyle. But here's the most empowering news of all. These systems are not set in stone. They are incredibly responsive. They are listening to what you eat. Food is not just fuel. Food is information. Every bite you take is a set of instructions that can either fortify or weaken your body's defenses. Some foods, like processed sugar, send signals of alarm and inflammation. But other foods, often the simplest and most ancient ones, contain powerful natural bioactives that speak the language of your defense systems. They send messages of repair, protection, and harmony. The humble onion is one of the most eloquent speakers of this language. Within its paper-thin skin lies a hidden pharmacy, a treasure trove of molecules capable of nourishing your defenses and restoring balance to your body's entire ecosystem. Metabolic myth. Let's begin with one of the most devastating health crises of our time: type 2 diabetes and the broader spectrum of metabolic dysfunction. We are told a myth that this is a one-way street, a progressive disease of blood sugar chaos that can only be managed, never truly reversed. But this myth denies the incredible adaptive power of our own biology. At its core, type 2 diabetes is a disease of communication breakdown. A key hormone, insulin, acts like a key that is supposed to unlock our cells to let glucose, our primary fuel, inside. In insulin resistance, the locks on our cells have become rusty. The key no longer fits well. As a result, sugar gets stuck in the bloodstream, creating a toxic, inflammatory flood that damages every organ in our body. So, how does the humble onion enter this picture? As a master locksmith. Onions are rich in a powerhouse bioactive compound called quercetin. Quercetin is a type of flavonoid, a plant pigment that does far more than just give fruits and vegetables their color. In our bodies, quercetin acts as a potent signaling molecule that can help restore that broken communication. First, it helps to clean the rust off the locks. Scientific studies have shown that quercetin can improve the sensitivity of our cells to insulin. It helps the key fit better, allowing sugar to get out of the bloodstream and into the cells where it belongs, providing energy and quelling the toxic flood. But it doesn't stop there. It also supports one of your most important health defense systems, your regeneration system. Your pancreas contains specialized beta cells, the very factories that produce the insulin keys. In a state of chronic high blood sugar, these beta cells can become exhausted and damaged. Quercetin has been shown to have a protective effect on these precious cells, shielding them from damage and helping them to function properly. Furthermore, quercetin interacts with another defense system, your microbiome. In your gut, it can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing the dramatic blood sugar spikes that put so much stress on your system in the first place. This single compound, delivered in a humble onion, is working on multiple fronts to gently and intelligently restore metabolic order. Arterial fortress. The same toxic flood of high blood sugar that disrupts our metabolism also wreaks havoc on the delicate lining of our 60,000 miles of blood vessels. This brings us to the second promise: cleaning your arteries. To understand this, we must first discard the old simplistic plumbing model of heart disease, the idea that our arteries are just pipes that get clogged with fatty gunk. This is far from the truth. Atherosclerosis, the hardening of the arteries, is not a plumbing problem. It is an inflammatory disease. It is a sign that your body's health defense systems are in a state of chronic, low-grade civil war. The process begins when LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol, becomes damaged or oxidized by inflammation. It's like a piece of metal being left out in the rain to rust. Your immune system, another key defense, no longer recognizes this rusted LDL as a friend. It sees it as a threat. It sends in specialized immune cells called macrophages to clean it up. But when there is too much oxidized LDL, these macrophages gorge themselves, becoming bloated foam cells. These foam cells get trapped in the wall of the artery, forming the core of an inflammatory plaque. This is not a passive clog, it's an active, volatile, and dangerous battlefield. This is where the onion deploys its potent peacekeepers. Quercetin, the same bioactive that helps our metabolism, is also one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. It is a bodyguard for your LDL cholesterol, shielding it from the oxidative damage that turns it into a threat. By preventing the rusting in the first place, it stops the entire inflammatory cascade before it can even begin. It calms the war zone. The second part of the onion's magic comes from its unique sulfur compounds. When you cut an onion, these compounds are released, eventually forming a substance called allicin. While allicin itself is short-lived, it sets off a chain reaction that produces a host of other beneficial molecules. These sulfur compounds have been shown to help relax and widen the blood vessels, a crucial function of a healthy angiogenesis defense system. This lowers blood pressure and reduces the physical stress on the artery walls, making them less susceptible to damage and inflammation. Cardiac Guardian. Now we can see how the first two actions, balancing our metabolism and protecting our arteries, lead directly to the third, most vital promise: saving your heart. Your heart is a muscle, the hardest working muscle in your entire body. It beats over 100,000 times a day, tirelessly pumping life-giving blood to every single cell. The health of this muscle is completely dependent on the two factors we just discussed: clean fuel and clear supply lines. A heart that is constantly struggling against high blood pressure and swimming in a sea of inflammatory, high-sugar blood is a heart under siege. By helping to control blood sugar, the bioactives in onions ensure that the heart muscle receives a steady, efficient source of energy, not the toxic, damaging flood that comes with insulin resistance. By protecting the arteries, they ensure that the coronary arteries, the specific vessels that feed the heart muscle itself, remain open, flexible, and clear, delivering the oxygen the heart so desperately needs. A blockage in these crucial arteries is what leads to a heart attack. So in this way, the onion acts as both the fuel manager and the supply line maintenance crew for your heart. But there is an even more direct protective effect. The profound anti-inflammatory properties of the onion's compounds, especially quercetin, directly protect the heart muscle tissue from stress and damage. Chronic inflammation is like a low-level fire simmering throughout the body, and it can weaken the heart muscle over time, leading to conditions like heart failure. The onion acts as a systemic firefighter, helping to extinguish this damaging blaze. And let's not forget about our DNA protection health defense system. The powerful antioxidants in onions help to protect the precious genetic blueprint inside every single heart cell from the damage caused by free radicals. They are literally helping to preserve the integrity of your heart at the most fundamental molecular level. This is a holistic strategy. You are not just patching a problem, you are strengthening the entire cardiovascular ecosystem from the ground up. Recipe revealed. So we have established the extraordinary medicinal potential hidden within the humble onion. But how do we unlock it most effectively? Can we simply eat it raw? Should we boil it? The truth is, the way you prepare a food can dramatically alter its health-promoting properties. The specific science-backed recipe I want to share with you is not complex. In fact, its power lies in its elegant simplicity. It is a method designed to maximize the bioavailability of the onion's key compounds and to create a powerful synergy with another ancient healing food. The recipe is this: the slow, gentle sautéing of onions in high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. Let's break down why this specific combination is so powerful. First, the cooking process. Gently sautéing the onions over a low to medium heat until they are soft and translucent does something remarkable. It breaks down the tough cell walls of the onion, making the beneficial compounds like quercetin much easier for your body to absorb. Raw onions are wonderful, but some people find them difficult to digest, and the full medicinal dose may not be fully bioavailable. Boiling, on the other hand, can cause some of the water-soluble compounds to leach out into the water, which you then discard. Slow, gentle sautéing is the sweet spot. Now, for the synergy with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a cooking fat. It is a medicine in its own right, packed with its own potent bioactives like oleocanthal and hydroxytyrosol, which are themselves powerful anti-inflammatory agents. When you combine them with the onion, you get a powerful compounding effect. It's like sending in two different elite firefighting crews to tackle the same blaze of inflammation. Furthermore, many beneficial phytonutrients are fat-soluble, meaning your body needs fat to absorb them properly. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil act as the perfect vehicle, chaperoning the onion's healing compounds across your intestinal wall and into your bloodstream where they can get to work. This simple recipe is a perfect marriage of biological wisdom and culinary delight. Daily ritual. Knowledge, no matter how profound, is useless without action. The true magic happens not when you understand this, but when you integrate it into the fabric of your daily life. The beauty of this onion and olive oil recipe is how incredibly versatile it is. This is not some strange, difficult-to-prepare concoction. This is a culinary foundation upon which you can build countless healthy and delicious meals. This is about creating a daily ritual, a simple habit that will deposit immense health benefits into your body's bank account over time. How do you do it? Start your day with it. Gently sauté the onions in olive oil and add them to your morning eggs. Use this sautéed onion base for virtually any soup, stew, or sauce you make. It not only adds a foundational layer of incredible flavor, but you are also infusing the entire dish with its potent medicinal properties. You can prepare a larger batch of these sautéed onions and keep them in the refrigerator. Then, you can easily add a spoonful to a salad. Fold them into whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, or layer them onto a piece of whole grain toast with avocado. You are transforming a simple condiment into a powerful act of self-care. What kind of onion should you choose? All onions are beneficial, but science does give us a clue. Red onions, particularly in their outer layers, tend to have the highest concentration of quercetin and other anthocyanin antioxidants. When you peel a red onion, try to remove only the very thin, papery outer skin, as a lot of the goodness is concentrated right underneath. Yellow onions are also excellent and are a fantastic all-purpose choice for this recipe. White onions are slightly milder, but still contain a healthy dose of these beneficial compounds. The most important thing is not which onion you choose, but the consistency with which you incorporate them into your life. Make this simple, delicious preparation a cornerstone of your diet, and you will be building your health from the inside out, one meal at a time. Ancient wisdom. It is truly a humbling experience to realize that a food so common, so affordable, and so ancient could hold such profound answers to our most pressing modern health problems. It reminds us that nature has already provided us with powerful tools to support the remarkable healing systems built into our own bodies. The journey of the onion from a simple aromatic to a scientifically validated disease-fighting powerhouse is a perfect testament to the philosophy of food as medicine. It's a call to return to a simpler, wiser way of eating and living. This isn't about a magic bullet. This is about shifting your entire perspective. It's about seeing your kitchen not just as a place to prepare meals, but as your personal pharmacy. It's about viewing your grocery store as a repository of powerful, life-sustaining information for your cells. This approach doesn't require an extreme diet or a sense of deprivation. It's about intelligent additions. It's about building a foundation of these simple, protective foods into your life, meal by meal, day by day, until they become a seamless part of who you are. The power to heal, to protect, and to thrive is not found in some distant laboratory or exclusive clinic. It is waiting for you patiently in the produce aisle. The greatest revolution in health is understanding that you are the primary steward of your own body. You have the agency, through the simple choices you make every single day, to fortify your defenses, to quiet inflammation, to restore balance, and to build a body that is resilient enough to carry you through a long and vibrant health span. The wisdom is ancient, the science is new, and the power is, and always has been, on your plate. The thought of an onion as a locksmith for my cells completely changed how I see it. What was the one idea in this discussion that made you look at a simple food in a whole new light?